I want to cry and cuss so bad right now.
Make your toes white.
I know I can take it.
And what is this? It looks like this just turned into ink.
You should got some jelly sandals.
I got jellies.
Oh, so mad right
You want
now.
some?
I know I can fix it.
Some jelly sandals.
I want to swear and cuss right now.
They got the
Ooh,
We used to stay
I want to swear and cuss.
brunch. I'm gonna go get something.
Oh, I just want to cuss some people out. Okay, so let me tell you the story. This morning I got up and I started eating some things, you know. So the oven was on heating up, so my hashtag bad sister could make something. And she just left the oven heating up, and they must have forgot, because I told them, and they must have forgot, because I told them I leave my, I told them, because I'm from the show them, I told them, they must have forgot.
They was $10.
Yeah, they must have forgot, because I told them I leave my plushies in areas where they could get destroyed for vids. Hashtag bad sister. She was like, ooh, they crossed plushie. Ooh, let's put it up in there. 3,000, 3,000. So today, Mom, you mind if I use these flowers? So today we got some flowers to celebrate the death of, you know what? I'm gonna put this back here. You know what? All because my sister caused this. Today, one of these things went. They must have forgot because I told them that I leave my plush toys in areas where they could be destroyed for vids. They must have forgot. Breaking apart and everything. Oh, I almost got a cut. Moral of the story, check before you use things. Because this would have never happened if she would have been a better sister. Because every time my mom leaves out of the house for her, I don't know what time she leaves, to 12 job, they always have to do things. Instead of being like the nice sister, like, oh man, let's do some things for Daquan. They're like, Daquan, you better go clean that room right now. So if you have a bad sister, click the hashtag and try to make a YouTube channel. Hashtag bad sister. They should have checked before they used something. Put that up. So hashtag bad sister. Nobody would have died today. If they died, please! I am shaking from how mad I am right now. If she would have been a better sister, again, like, let's just make some Daquan some food. Ooh, let's open the snack cabinet so he can eat up everything he likes. They're more like, Daquan, I'm gonna go to the snack cabinet! Go to your room right now before I tell your mama! That's all they're like. And you know what? Luckily I told on them. Because I can't see the future, but I would have known this happened today. Luckily, I told on them because I told her a big secret. Before I tell you the secret, I'm going to just give you a hint. I'm going to just give you a little hint. Luckily, I told on her, except it's like that machine. Yes. It's like that. Luckily, I told him cut, because I would have never known this would have happened today. I kept telling her something was burning. If she would have been a better listen. Yeah, that's also the reason why she go clean your room. Because she never listens. Every time I tell them, I accidentally broke this, I accidentally broke that. They're like, so, okay. When they come in, they just want to be mean. Like, well, how did you break this? And I just kept being like, I told you. They don't believe me. They don't listen. If she would have came and checked, When I said it sounded like something was burning, nobody would have died today. Hashtag bad sister. That might be it. I'm just so this video is just saying check things before you use it. And for check things before you use it. Tell your sisters this. Make sure they check things before they use it if you start a YouTube channel. Third thing, make sure they listen and do stuff better. Third, make sure they actually believe you. And fifth, this is how my parents are. Wow, 5 lessons in one video because one thing happened. That's my life. That's my life. Literally, that's my life. So this video has a lesson, but I'm also telling you about my life. That's my life. My brain is so mad right now. I just want to... They finna come out of my mouth. Ooh, I am so mad. I don't even want to cry no more. I just want to swear. I just want to make a hurricane of swear words. I just want to cuss all out. The person who did this, I know. I just want to cuss somebody out tonight. I don't care who it is. My sister, my other sister, somebody in this house, maybe even my plush toy so I could not get angry. But for some reason, I know, yeah. I just want to cuss somebody out right now. There's literally 5 lessons in one video. 5 lessons explaining my life in one video. That's like 7 things on a little app. Yeah, I bet you're not thinking about it. I gave you a second or probably some moments to think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things happened in one little tiny app. 7. So the moral is, when so many things happen in these videos, I don't even know what to count as the lesson. But the main lesson is check before you use things, because they must have forgot. I told them that I put my plushies in areas where they can get destroyed real easily. They must have forgot because they clearly didn't listen. I just want to... I'm so freaking mad right now. I feel like I can't even... I just want to release my cuss words like right now. I'm so mad, I don't even want to cry no more. I don't even want to cry anymore. Check things before you... Get that off. Check things before you use things. Because if you ever start a YouTube channel, here's the rules. First, be careful. Second, if you want to be like me, remember, tell all your family members that you can put plushies that can be destroyed in places that they can be destroyed in. Make sure they don't forget. Tell them daily. Third thing is, of course, keep it appropriate, but sometimes I cuss in some of my videos, but you know, just like Jeffy, cussing videos get more quality. I need to start cussing in the middle so they notice. Fourth thing, be friendly. Fifth thing, just have fun. None of this would have happened if they would just listen. If they would have just remembered.
What is you doing?
I'm mad.